In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to update your employees' actuals time. I'm going to show you how to edit, delete, and split those time entries. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise or location selected, then choose Time. Go to your new top menu bar and choose Review. From the drop-down menu, select Actuals. You should arrive at a chart that looks like this. Before you make any changes, make sure you are on the correct day. Let's say I need to make changes to Cassie's first time entry. In order to do that, click on Admin in that Time Entries row. Now you should be able to view all of the details for your time entry. Let's say this employee worked 2 different projects during her shift, so I want to split this time entry in 2. I can click on Split in the upper left corner. So now I can see the current shift and when the new shift would occur, where it's telling me it will split. So if I wanted to change where this split occurs, I could click the clock next to 8. And let's say she started her new task at 7:30. I will choose 7:30, and now this shift will be split in a different place. I could change the project or task, I could change the activity, and I could leave any notes. If you don't want to split this shift, click Close. I do, so I'm going to choose Save. And now that time entry has been split in 2. Let's say I want to change the first part of that time entry, that this employee worked a different project then. I will click on Admin for the top entry, and I will be taken to this Edit menu. Now I'm going to make some changes. I could change the status from OK to Error or Void. I could change the date of this time entry. I could change the times, or add a break. TeamWork 5 will automatically calculate the total hours for you. I cannot change the location, but I can change the project or task. So I will click that arrow, and let's say that this was after hours non-class times. Then I could also change the activity. I'll click this arrow. Maybe I will choose Activity Supervisor 2. I could view any employee notes. I could leave a note as a manager. Maybe I will say 2 projects. I could choose to alert the manager or not. If I scroll down, I could also delete this time entry altogether. The only reason I can delete this time entry is it was created by an admin. If the time entry was created by an employee, by law, it cannot be deleted, but it could be voided and replaced with a corrected time entry. If you changed your mind and you don't want to edit this shift, click Close. I do, so I'm going to choose Save. And now that time entry has been edited. Notice under Task, it now says non-class times. I can also view the history of my changes. If I click on Admin, I can go to the top left corner and choose History. Here I can see when this time entry was changed, what type of change was made, and who made that change. If I click the arrow next to one of these entries, I can see the details of that edit. I can see which fields for the time entry were changed, what the original data was, and what the new changes are. To exit out of this, click Close. That's how you can update an actuals time entry in TeamWork 5. You can edit, split, delete, and view the history for these entries. Check out the next video to learn how to mass update your actuals time.